guys, welcome back to the channel. Today was a fairly nice afternoon for our area, so we decided to take the truck out and do a few quarter-mile runs just to get a little footage for a video for you. Try out our new camera, our new drone. Anyway, you'll see how we made out. Also, I'd like to thank Blueprint 1LE for letting us win this t-shirt. Maybe we'll put some NOS on the truck too in the future, but for right now I'm pretty happy with the way the truck's running. There's one thing I'd like to eliminate, is that crossover right behind the manifolds. I think we could pick up a tenth or two by doing something there. Might have to put headers on to eliminate that, but anyway, we'll see what happens. I've got headers and X-pipe ordered for my car, but they've been on back order now for 3 months, so hopefully they'll come through in the next month or so. Maybe we'll get them put on the car and do a video on that too. Probably it's supposed to be a nasty week this week, but surely within the next week or two we'll be able to get the car out and do some videos on that. See if it's still running as good as it was last fall or not. But anyway, we'll keep our fingers crossed and see how we make out. Maybe the following week or the following weekend we'll have a burnout video for you. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.